Hello, my name is Min, and this is the first development log video of Hexa Empires. We show you the current game's progress as of January 2026. And so Hexa Empires is a game inspired by Roblox, could be a game inspired by Roblox, Empire Clash, and Foxhole. Now Foxhole utilizes a concept known as server grid sharding, and so different regions of the world can be divided into different servers. And I'm trying to implement that in Roblox, but at the same time, I want to continue on the Roblox Napoleonic era kind of games, which are very popular on this platform. So I can show you my current progress. Right now, I have a musket, and I can deal damage with it. Come on. Yeah. The the block casting system is very rough still. You can shoot like that. And there's actually a projectile that is shot. If you look closely, there's a sphere that just bleeped out of nowhere from the camera. Right there, you see that. And so this is client origin projectile, and this is in an attempt to, like most FPS games, reduce the load on a server for projectile rendering. All the servers does is that it validates if the projectile creation is valid, and it tells other client to render a projectile. And at the same time, that's one of the remote events. The other remote event is checking if projectile final position is where you can actually raycast to that position and then deal damage to the body part. So this is pretty generic tool creation. And you can see this is a multiple parts tool, and what I had to do is create a custom rig and then using Blender to animate these motions. Of course, they're very chopped, but it's a work in progress. So besides this weapon, earlier there was also terrain procedure generation, and I'm gonna go and edit. I forgot to publish it right here. Publish. Okay, published, and going back. So it does take a while to load because I haven't implemented the chunk loading system yet. But once the chunk loading system is implemented, like Minecraft, it should run pretty smoothly without lagging. So yeah, this looks pretty beautiful. You have the voxel uses Roblox default terrain and the right voxel method, and using map.noise to get its Perlin noise. I basically create a height map, and then these are different kind of materials that are the surface of the terrain. Under there, just rock. You take notice that the trees, they are also procedurally generated with L systems. This is a pretty good tree. The other tree is, I'm gonna call the Hexa Empire tree, which is a absolute mess. But I found it very funny, and we're gonna add it in the final game. So the L systems are called Lindenmayer systems, and they're able to. It's an algorithm that game developers use to procedurally generate trees. And so that's the current progress of the game, and I'll see you sometimes later.